Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to prove about this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to consider about this one. We have the formula in here. That is about cosine 8 equals to 1 over sine 8 and cotangent 8 equals to cosine 8 over sine 8. So we need to transform this one into this one, and this one into this one. So we have 1 minus cosine 4x next. We have the second formula in here. Cosine 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sine 8 squared in here. And sine 2x equals to 2 sine 8 cosine 8. So cosine 4x, that is about number 2 multiplied by 2x. This one we change by number 2 with 2x. So we have cosine number 2x. So capital A, that is about 2x. Now we need to transform this one into this one. This one we transform into this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel, negative, we have positive. So we have positive number 2 sine 2x squared. Now we need to simplify number 2 sine 2x on numerator and denominator. So we know that sine divided by cosine we have tan. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.